All right, so you guys are doing awesome with this, distributing with variables. So I'm only going to do one example with you, and then you should be able to do the rest on your own. No, I am not here, but you are still expected to follow every rule that you normally would. You know my expectations with a substitute. If your name is written down, you will be written up. I do understand that you may not like all substitutes, but you leave it to me to take care of anything with a substitute. They're taking care of you. You follow all rules and do as they say. When I get back, we can talk about other things if you are upset about something, but you do not do anything to the substitute. Now that we understand, we're going to move on to the assignment. So let's look at number 9. That's the example I'm going to do with you. It's just number 9. You should be able to do the rest of the worksheet from watching number 9. So we have 1 times 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So we'll do our box. So we have 3xy to the third times 3x minus 2xy plus 4y minus 6, okay? So we do it like normal. 3 times 3 is 9. X times x is x squared. There's no y here, but there are 3 y's here, so y to the third. Move on to the next one. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. X times x is x squared. Y times y to the 3 is y to the fourth. Then we have 4 times 3 is 12. There's no x here, but there is one x here. 1y times 3 y's gives you y to the fourth. Then we have negative 6 times 3, negative 18. No x's here, but there's one x here. No y's here, but there are 3 y's here. So your answer will be 9x squared y to the third minus 6x squared y to the fourth plus 12xy to the fourth minus 18xy to the third. Okay? So that should help you out with number 10 if you need help with number 10. The rest of it you should be able to do on your own because y'all did super well yesterday that I'm sure you're going to do excellent. Don't forget you need to take your warm-up quiz. I will be grading those at home, so be sure that you take it. Be sure you're not talking when you take it. Also, when you finish with this assignment, you are working on ALEKS. I will be looking up to see if you've been working on ALEKS today. You should all get to ALEKS at some point today. Okay? So I'll look up and see how much time you spent on ALEKS and how many questions you went through on ALEKS. There is no talking in class today because I'm not here. So you are working on your own and then you're working on ALEKS. It is constant working because I am not here. Whenever you put away, ask the substitute if you can start putting things away before you do. When you do, be sure your tablet is put in with the volume button up and be sure you plug it in. It's important that you make sure it's plugged in so that it remains charged for the rest of the class periods. Okay? If you have any questions, Ms. Jenkins should be here as well, so you can ask her. I better not get any bad reports from any one of you. Have a great day, guys. Have a great weekend. Don't get in any fights.